A resolution commending NB Dance Academy of Iloilo for being invited to join the 5th Kuching International Dance Festival for 2022 held in Kuching, Sarawak, Malaysia. For your information, this is one here is from Barangay Kagbanguton. I will just read the fourth, the fourth whereas the performers of NB Dance Academy of Iloilo were Lian Ray Lanceta of Barangay Kubay Haro, Iloilo City, Kate Michelle Haramilio of Barangay Kagbanguton, Iloilo, Mary Shilin Faith Bailon of Rojas City, Jomel Jan Magallanes of Panduriao, Iloilo City, and Jason Gian Calaor of Barangay Nanga, Gimbal, Iloilo. Whereas during the KIDF 2022, NB Dance Academy of Iloilo has shown justice to deliver a dance entitled Una Kaya Kaya, which symbolizes the resilience of Filipinos who continue to move forward even in the most difficult times of life, mixing the tribal feels of the music and the beat used in Latin American dances. They have come up with a choreography that was expected, receiving praises and from the international audience.
So, Your Honor, I move for the passing of a resolution commending MB Dance Academy of Iloilo for being invited to join the 5th Kuching International Dance Festival 2022 held in Kuching, Sarawak, Malaysia. Sponsored by the Honorable Rando Bidistura and co-sponsored by Vice Governor Tingarin.
And co-sponsored by Board Gonzales. Ito pa, tanong na lang wala kang co-sponsor. Okay.
I so
move. Any second co-sponsor. Bagay tagal kang co-sponsor, approve na. Okay.